In a medical device market dominated by global manufacturers, Scanre's growth strategy shows how Indian engineering can reach global healthcare markets. Most medical technology and hardware entrepreneurs enter a difficult market. India still depends heavily on imported advanced medical equipment. Many businesses operate as generic traders or low-tier assembly vendors. They import components, package them locally, and compete mainly on price. But in medical hardware, price is not enough. One regulatory change, one safety failure, or one quality rejection can destroy the entire business model. So the first question is, how do you break permanently out of this low-margin cycle? And the second question is, how do you make elite hospitals, healthcare ministries, and global medical buyers trust your technology? The answer comes from Scanre Technologies Limited, a company that rejected cheap generic assembly and built a medical device moat from Mysore. In 2010, Scanre was founded by Vishwaprasad Alva, an industrial electronics expert with over 30 years of medtech experience, to build globally compliant medical devices in India. They had deep technical understanding of radiology and medical electronics, but did not begin with massive venture funding or a ready-made domestic category. Local hospitals often distrusted domestic devices, assuming they were unsafe, unreliable, or unable to match international standards. Foreign medical equipment was often designed for clean, air-conditioned hospitals with stable power. Indian clinics also faced dust, humidity, and voltage fluctuations. Scanre made a defining choice. Instead of copying Western devices, it engineered rugged diagnostic systems from scratch. The focus was portable X-ray systems, internal power backup, rugged medical electronics, and near-zero radiation leakage. This is why the founder's motivation matters. The goal was not to build a cheaper machine. The goal was to prove that India could build globally trusted medical devices. In the words of founder, we wanted to show that India can design and manufacture globally competitive medical devices that are robust, affordable, and compliant with international standards, rather than remaining dependent on high-cost imports that don't fit our real-world terrain. From that point, Scanre focused on transforming its factory floor into an internationally certified intellectual property fortress. The revenue and asset story begins with a long baseline slog between 2010 and 2012, 2 years spent largely on engineering diagnostics. Then came the Europe corridor pivot. Between 2013 and 2018, Scanre focused on Europe instead of scattering sales across multiple markets. The company acquired the radiology division of the Italian manufacturer CEI to gain CE compliance and European Design Authority. During the global health crisis, Scanre partnered with Bharat Electronics Limited to mass manufacture over 30,000 advanced ICU ventilators. Founded in 2010, Scanre scaled from an initial 49 lakh rupees baseline to 248 crore rupees in FY 2022 and a 200 crore rupees run rate in FY 2026. Let's see the problems it solved to achieve this growth. Problem 1 is the long, expensive gestation trap. Medical products can take years of testing before the first sale. Scanre responded by investing early in internal compliance and simulation technology. Designing platforms with global compliance in mind helped shorten the pipeline from lab prototype to commercial certification. Problem 2 is extreme environmental failure. Delicate devices fail under power surges, dust, and humidity. Scanre solved this through value engineering for real operating conditions. To ensure reliability in harsh conditions, Scanre used sealed, dust-proof enclosures and built voltage compensation software directly into its devices. Problem 3 is getting scattered in global exports. Scanre did not spread its sales budget across many countries. It focused first on one demanding corridor, Europe. Only after building European Design Authority and compliance did the company replicate the model across the US and broader global parts. Problem 4 is the international trust barrier. Foreign hospitals do not buy unknown medical hardware easily. Skanray made global quality certifications a primary competitive edge. By packaging structural certifications with its products, Skanray reduced the trust deficit and strengthened its global credibility. Problem 5 is getting trapped in a single product cycle. A company that makes only one device is vulnerable to saturation. Skanray built a multi-product development engine. The solution was to apply its high-frequency medical power electronics expertise across radiology imaging, ICU ventilators, and wireless patient monitoring. The strategic takeaway is clear. Medical hardware scale belongs to companies that own core IP and design for global compliance from day one. In founder Vishwaprasad Alva's words, unless Indian companies focus on indigenous research, own their intellectual property, and design products for global compliance from day one, we will remain mere traders in a highly specialized field. When a factory floor is backed by vertical integration, safety compliance, and focused export strategy, revenue does not just grow, it compounds. Skanray Technologies proves that an Indian manufacturing business does not need to stay trapped at the bottom of the assembly value chain. First, reject the commodity trap by owning your underlying component technology and intellectual property. Second, treat deep regulatory certifications as a mandatory sales tool, not a corporate luxury. Third, design physical products to handle the harshest field variables, power surges, dust, humidity, and difficult healthcare environments. Finally, validate quality in one high-standard export corridor before expanding globally. Stop waiting for perfect market conditions. Master your core engineering, anchor your roots in innovation, and let Make in India be your ticket to the global stage.